Welcome back to the AJ channel. In today's video, we have got the Greens, don't vote Greens. We've got the Greens chocolate, classic chocolate cake, ladies and gentlemen, and we're going to show you how to make this correctly, ladies and gentlemen. I think I need to get some sunglasses, but yeah, let's get straight into it, ladies and gentlemen. Obviously, we have got eggs, we've got scissors, we have got butter, we have also got the milk, and yeah, let's get into it. Obviously, you're going to need 2 eggs, a half a cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of butter, which we do have, and of course the pan, which we got a bowl instead, but that's a-okay. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, before this video begins, be sure to like, be sure to comment, be sure to subscribe with the bell on. We're trying to get 100 subscribers. Let's get into it. Also, I'm feeling a bit cactusy. Let's go into it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into it now. So we got karate chop right there. Or maybe, so we got karate chop right there.
Chop right there.
Kickboxing kick it, maybe. Who knows? We got it now. We're gonna put our fingers in. Swipe. Alright, we got the 2 baggy waggies, and we rip the box in half. Ladies and gentlemen, alright, now let's get the eggs out here. We've got the scissors. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got the eggs. And we oh, I'm trying to crack them. Hold up, give me a sec. We got it. There we go. There we go. We go like that. Boom! Perfect. Perfect aim right there. So what you want to do is you want to get the egg shell in, alright? And then to cool your head off, you put the egg in. And then to cool your head off, you put the egg in. Like that. Oh no! And then to cool your head off, you put the egg in. Like that. Oh no! You got that. Well, you're gonna catch the shell. You're gonna get the shell. There we go. We got the shell in. That's the main thing. All right. Now, let's get our butter in. Right. You gotta really get your hands in there. Rub it around. You got butterfingers, ladies and gentlemen. You got butterfingers. All right. Let's get. Oh, butterfingers, man. All right. Let's open this up. Oh, that's chocolate. That's really chocolate. That's chocolate, chat. Alright. Got that done. And now we... Monster's not gonna have a fun time with this. Alright. Pour some in the milk. Alright. Pour some in the milk. Pour some in there. And then we... Chocolate rain, chocolate rain, chocolate rain, chocolate rain,
Chocolate rain.
Boom. Put the rest of the butter in. Boom. Now you're gonna scoop up a little bit like that. Get our milk. Put our hand in the milk. You gotta cool your hand down because you know there's too much flames in the kitchen. We're cooking too much good stuff. Flick the hands in right there. Then you know what you gotta do. Pour some in the bowl. Right that. Pour it in. Pour it over the head. Pour it over the head. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go.
Oh, let's go.
Pour it over the head. Oh, let's go. Okay. Now, we get the spoon, and we stir up the goodness, ladies and gentlemen. The goodness, ladies and gentlemen. Yummy, yummy. Alright. Can you take a bite? Maybe not, maybe not. Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, eggshell. Alright. Scrape it up. Oh, that's terrible. Alright. Alright, let's keep it going. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we've got that good. Now, you eat and enjoy. So, be sure to subscribe. I'll show you how to eat correctly as well. You eat and enjoy. So, be sure to subscribe. I'll show you how to eat correctly as well. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that's great. Alright. And boom, we finished it. That tastes absolutely amazing, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, be sure to comment, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell as well. My dog's eating and he's got milk on his head because he won't stay away from anything. Alright, let's get a quick peek. Might have to put him in the shower. Yeah, okay, he's not touching the eggshells, that's good. Alright, boom, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, no, eggshell, no. Bad. Lick my hand. Alright, there we go. Alright, we'll see you in the next one. Yeah, be sure to subscribe. We've got dog with a milk head. Yeah, milky head dog. And yeah, Monster is not going to be happy with the trampoline. But yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.